Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you're interested in Vietnamese, this video is for you. And if you do not learn Vietnamese yet, hopefully after this video you will learn Vietnamese. So in this video, I will tell you how to ask people name and how to answer it accordingly. So when you meet someone, it's really important to know their name so you can greet them properly. Just like English, when you want to ask someone name, just like what is your name? In Vietnamese we have Bạn tên là gì? Bạn tên là gì? Bạn tên là gì? What is your name? Bạn means friend, so we always say bạn tên là gì to our friends. Tôi tên là Michelle. Tôi tên là Michelle means my name is Michelle. My name is Michelle. Tôi tên là Michelle. So what if I want to ask name of an older brother? I will say anh tên là gì? You just need to replace bạn with more suitable pronoun. Anh tên là gì? Chị tên là gì? Em tên là gì? Or cô tên là gì? Chú tên là gì? It's easy, right? What all you need to remember is personal pronoun plus tên là gì. So now whoever you meet, you still know how to ask their name, right? Cô ấy tên là gì? 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 What is her name? Anh ấy tên là gì? What is his name? Cô ấy tên là gì? What is her name? Cô ấy tên là Anna. Her name is Anna. Anh ấy tên là gì? Anh ấy tên là gì? Anh ấy tên là Kinan. Anh ấy tên là Kinan. What is her name? Her name is Anna. What is his name? His name is Kinan. Alright, you already know how to ask someone name. Even they are friends, their younger brother, their older brother, or their younger sister or younger brother. Now you already know how to ask someone name, so please comment down below what we already learned today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching!